Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will talk about the rolling admission into LUT University. Lappeenranta University or LUT University, they have opened their rolling admission from 1st of November and it will continue until May 2023, and in this time period you can make application to Bachelor Degree, Master's Degree and Doctoral Degree. In this video you will know about scholarship into this university, for rolling admission, the requirement, and then tuition fees. All these things I will mention in this video. So hopefully this video will be really helpful for you, and if you like this video, put a like on my video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So guys, let's go and check out this video. So to check the rolling admission from LUT University, you can see LUT University. The website is lut.fi, and when you are here you can also change the website to Finnish and English. So I have already done it to English, and then I will search here easy solution rolling. Okay, just search rolling. You can see rolling admission, but the main difference is you don't have to compete with other students. In the normal admission there will be like many students, but in the rolling admission you will submit your documents, and then university will check and they will give results within 1 month. We can also check the details. We can open this into a new link, rolling admission. You can check all of this. So rolling admission from 1st of November and it will end 15th of May 2023. What are the degree programs? You can check from here, but let's go and check one by one. So first I will go with the Bachelor Degree. Rolling admission for Bachelor's Degree, and here the same like the deadline for rolling admission. You can start applying now, and the program you can see Bachelor Degree program, Bachelor's program in Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, then Technology and Engineering Science, and this 3 program is in Lappeenranta campus, and this 3 program is in Lahti campus. And we can also see like the difference, like regular admission versus rolling admission. In regular admission you compete against the other applicants, while a limited number of applicants will be admitted in the order of the highest point scored in the selection process. But what about rolling admission? In rolling admission, if meeting with all the requirements in the admission process, you will get admitted without any competition. As long as there are places still available, it means first come first serve. If you apply now and if they select you, within 1 month they will give you the decision and you can get the offer letter from the university directly. You don't have to wait until the regular admission. But if you fail, like if you are not selected, you can also apply again in the like January joint application, that is the regular admission. Okay, application process. Fill in the online application form. Let's open this in another new link. So it will go to study info and you can fill up the application here. It's like the normal application. And if you don't know how to fill up this, I have video on my YouTube channel. You can watch that video and upload your documents here. Let's read this first. You may only apply to one, so you can apply only one bachelor degree. There are 6. You can apply only one bachelor degree for this rolling admission. And read all of this. I will not go through this. Main important is the tuition fees. Admission decision will be within a month. You will receive your admission result within a month from the date of having provided LUT admission services. So when you submit all your required documents, after that they will take 1 month to give you the decision. And you only need higher secondary certificate and transcript. Okay, let's read this. If admitted, you must confirm your place at LUT and pay the tuition fees within 3 weeks. So you need to pay the tuition fees within 3 weeks, 21 days. You must have money in your account to pay the tuition fees. Okay, and then eligibility requirements. Who is not eligible? You have completed your higher secondary degree in Finland. If you are from Finland, you are not eligible. This is for outside Finland, students from outside Finland, this rolling admission. And read this, you need to complete upper secondary degree outside Finland or higher secondary degree. What is the required grade to apply for this bachelor degree? You can check from here that you need to have arithmetic grade average good, advanced mathematics grade good, and mathematics and natural science grade average good. So basically you need to have good grade from your higher secondary school, and advanced mathematics you should have this curriculum in your college level or in your school. And if you haven't finished your degree or higher secondary or college degree, of course you can apply with incomplete result, but your certificate must be submitted by 31st of August 2023 to LUT University. Let's check required documents. So list of documents you must upload: higher secondary certificate, higher secondary transcript, and you must submit like mathematics curriculum from your college or from your school. And then you should have a English language test certificate. So there is no entrance exam, you should have a English language test certificate, and then your passport copy. And this one you don't need it, this residence permit card. Let's check the English language test score. Okay, so English language test accepted by LUT University C1 advanced or C2 proficiency. It has to be level C. IELTS academic or IELTS online, you must have 6.0, and writing band has to be 5.5. PTE academic or PTE academic online, you must have 54 score. TOEFL 78. This is the requirement for English language test score. Let's check the tuition fees. So if you are from EU or EEA or Switzerland, you don't have to pay tuition fees. But if you are from outside EU country, the tuition fees is 9,500 per year. 9,500 per year. But you have early bird discount, which is 2,000 euro, and so if you deduct this 2,000, your tuition fees will be 7,500. So for the first year you have to pay 7,500. Okay, so 7,500 euros for one academic year if you want to study in LUT University. And I have already told all the required documents. Let's go and check for the master's degree requirement. I will open this to a new browser tab. So let's go through this, when to apply. So the deadline is 1st of November till 15th of May. And if you click this form, you can apply or make the application for rolling admission. Let's check this. Yes, you can fill up the application here. And the programs in rolling admission for master's degree. So there are 21 master's degree programs offered by LUT University, the regular admission, and these 5 degree programs are not included in the rolling admission. No competing against other applicants. In rolling admission, if submitting a complete application within the time frame, meeting with eligibility requirements and getting a minimum of, so if you get 50% score from the interview, you will get a offer letter. No interviews in programs in business administration. In this degree program, there are no interviews. In all of these, no interview. But let's check the requirement. So requirement for master's degree in business administration. So you should have a bachelor degree from this background, and you must have 80 CTS credit from business administration. So these are the bachelor degree background students can apply for this master's degree. Okay, and you can check all these requirements like the English language test, proficiency, and other requirements from here. And if you are from technology background, let's check the proficiency in English. Okay, click this. So you must have IELTS 6.5, TOEFL 90, PTE academic 62 if you want to apply to technology related master's degree program, and minimum CGPA 3.5 out of 5 for these degree programs, and 3 out of 5 for these degree programs. Okay, 3 is okay, I think that's fine. Let's check the tuition fees. Application period, application form, required documents. So you can check all the required documents like degree certificate for bachelor degree, transcript, English language test score, educational documents, GMAT or GRE test result for business background students, not for the technology background student. And then we can check the tuition fees. Yes. So the tuition fees is 13,500 per academic year. Okay, let's check the scholarship. In rolling admission, we offer a total of 2 Finland scholarship. If you haven't watched the Finland scholarship video from my YouTube channel, you can watch this video on my YouTube channel. So only 2 students will get Finland scholarship. Finland scholarship means you will get 100% tuition fees waiver, plus you will get 5,000 euro for moving to Finland. When you will move, you will get 5,000 euros in your account. That's for 2 students. Okay, other than that, there is early bird discount. So the tuition fees 13,500, you will get 6,000 euros early bird discount, and you have to pay 7,500 euros tuition fees within 21 days. I think this is not that much. If you pay like 7,500 for a year, it should be fine. And the second year you will also get a early bird discount if you complete 60 credit, and I think it is possible to complete 60 credit. So these are the requirement, scholarship and tuition fees for master degree students. You can now apply to these degree programs. Let's check for doctoral degree program in LUT University. Okay, I don't see any. Okay, let's check doctoral degree. Applying for doctoral degrees. Okay. So if you want to apply for doctoral degree into LUT University, you need to check these details. I don't want to read all of this, but you need to read all of this carefully. Application process for doctoral degree. This is a link, and then click on the headline to open more instruction, degrees and research field, where you can make the research and degree planning doctoral studies at LUT. You need to write a plan for your doctoral studies when you make the application. LUT doctoral school and doctoral degree programs. You can find all the programs for doctoral degrees. So these are the important thing you need to read from LUT University if you want to apply for doctoral degree. And remember, there is no tuition fees for doctoral degree student. You must have a bachelor degree and a master's degree. If you want to apply for doctoral degree into LUT University, you must have 4 out of 5 in your master's thesis, and you should have 3 out of 5 in your bachelor degree grade. In your bachelor degree, the CGPA should be 3 out of 5, but in your master's degree thesis grade must be 4 out of 5. You can check all the requirements from here. You need to write a plan, you need to contact to a teacher, and you can find all the details from this website. For example, information on who can act as a supervisor for your doctoral studies is available here. Click this link and you need to check from here who can be your supervisor, and you need to contact to LUT University. So these are the things you need to research, and you need to study at your home during your free time. And if you have question, of course you can ask on my YouTube channel. So guys, this is a great opportunity for you to apply to LUT University. Well, LUT University didn't sponsor me, but I'm just telling because I'm a student of LUT University, and to be honest, this is one of the best university in Finland, and their I think their ranking is now 250, around 250, like in the world ranking, LUT University. And the education and the quality of education is quite high, so you can make the application. And the tuition fees is not that high, especially in terms of master's degree student. The tuition fees is high, but you will get the early bird discount, and after that you will have only 7,500. Tuition fees for the bachelor degree students only 7,500. Well, most of the university in Finland, they have tuition fees like this. And if you also study in a University of Applied Science, the tuition fees are almost like 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Well, there are not much differences of tuition fees if you study in LUT University or if you study in a University of Applied Science. But LUT University is the world ranking, so you must apply to this university if you want to get a good degree on your portfolio. So guys, hopefully this video will be helpful for you, and if you have question, comment under the video. I will try to get back to you whenever I have time. I am a busy person, but I will try to get back to you. I cannot promise you any answer personally or to my inbox. I am not answering anyone, so it is best for you to comment under the video and watch the video from the beginning to the end, so you don't miss any information. So guys, see you to my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.